So we have a little bit of a problem with this guy right here. About a month and a half ago, my left fork seal was leaking. I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna need to get that fixed up, because I like to go fast, and that's probably not good. So I went down to a couple shops, and the average price was about $300 if I brought the forks to them off the bike. And I was like, you know what? I could probably buy some tools and do it myself. Luckily, I heard he had a little tool. That's the fork tube. I took the dust seal off. And if I lift it up, you can see it's leaking. And if I pump it a little bit, you can see that fat line of oil is the rear. I'm gonna get that lifted up. Homemade little wood stand. And I like to put one hand on the wheel and another one grabbing the like this. I guess I can do this. Just slide it up on there like that. Wheel. This little stand under my swing arm. Made it out of wood. Saves about $150 compared to buying one. Really get it tucked back in there. Slide it back. Let's see if it moves. Does exactly what I need to. Around to this side. I'm gonna say that that's straight. That's how I ride. That's straight right there. But if I come back around this way and look down, it's just a couple degrees off. And granted, a couple degrees might not seem like that much, but it really does make a huge difference in fork alignment. So we are gonna try our best. We're gonna loosen everything up. We're gonna bounce it a few times, and hopefully it will correct itself. If not, am I gonna pay someone to do it this time? Let's be honest. No. So what we are gonna do in here is loosen everything where the forks are attached. Yes, I know, she's dirty. She's had a lot of problems. I actually lost my key when I went to eat at a restaurant. My entire ignition assembly part, $200 to make a key to it. I did it myself with a file and a key blank for about $10. We are gonna loosen this as well. The only thing that we are not gonna loosen is this top fork clamp. Because when you're pushing down on these, trying to realign, kind of bounce everything into place, this one clamp is going to hold everything together. And now we're going to loosen these at the bottom. Not that much, just enough to where you can get them with your finger. We're not trying to take everything out, because we're just going to tighten everything back up. You guys are in there. Just loose enough, Just loose enough. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I have to take a trip to Home Depot because on a 2007 Yamaha R6, this is a 36 mil. I really love this street. I need a little cheater bar. Oh, what did we just buy from Home Depot? Told you how I was making a home gym, right? Well, here's my little pull-up bar. Let's see if this works. Oh, look at that. I have no idea how far you're supposed to loosen it. I didn't watch the full YouTube video when I probably should have. Am I gonna break something if this pops all the way off? Holy shit. Don't do that. With this, we need that much space left. That's all we're getting. That's it. Put that there. Just gonna slide this part under this.
No. Wait.
So if that happens to you, where you accidentally undo the stem nut all the way, and you're not supposed to, all you have to do is get the weight off the front forks. You can see if I exercise this. Jump on it, try and press the suspension a little bit. You good, Ma? And then after compressing it, just gonna want to go through, tighten everything back up. Looks pretty straight. That looks pretty freaking spot on. Now this was how to realign forks after you went up a curb too fast, or hit a bump doing 110. And it's how to realign your forks. Why was I doing it? More of like a fork seal leak diagnosis. I was reading on the forums. I don't know if it's true. The forks are out of alignment. The seals might leak while it's in motion. So, clearly did not work. So, unfortunately, in my case, fork alignment was not the problem. Dirt in the oil seal that's causing it to leak that bad? I have no idea. Why would it just start leaking now after a month? I have no idea. Are we gonna try this again? Might as well. Just what you're gonna wanna do is get a little screwdriver. I already kinda did it, I just pushed it back up. Is to take that bad boy down. You're gonna wanna clean this all up. Clean it nice and good. Alright, so you're gonna wanna take this with this hook in there. Keep it vertical. You're gonna wanna go around like that, all the way, and you're gonna want to pull it down at that angle so any dirt particles will get trapped. Oil.